Today, for my experiment, I am going to be doing a blizzard in a jar. For the ingredients, you will need a jar, water, baby oil, white paint, glitter, and Alka-Seltzer. You're going to pour 3/4 of baby oil into the jar. Now we're going to mix the paint with the water. Now we're going to pour the paint into the baby oil. Now we are going to pour the glitter inside the baby oil. It's time to put the Alka-Seltzer in. Wow, that was a fascinating experiment. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye. For this experiment, I am going to be doing a tornado in a jar. You will need a jar, glitter, dish soap, and some water. Now it's time to pour the water in the jar. Now it's time for the glitter. Now it's time to put the dishwashing soap into the jar. Now we're shaking it. And that was my tornado in the jar. I hope you enjoy. Bye!